Models are an essential tool for understanding the Earth's climate. But what is a climate model? Climate models are based on a large set of mathematical equations that deal with the physics of atmosphere and oceans, fundamentally with how water and air move and transport energy and heat. Once you have the physics equations in place, you add the chemistry equations to understand how carbon and oxygen are produced and moved around on land, atmosphere, and in the oceans. Current climate models typically represent on the order of 300 chemical species in the atmosphere and about 10 in the oceans. Getting the chemistry right is essential for getting the amount of greenhouse warming that we are going to experience. Finally, you need to add equations to represent ecology, plant life and ecological diversity on land and in the oceans, and how ecology can change the chemical compositions of water and air. You end up with a very complex machine. A typical climate model has, on average, about 1 million lines of computer codes. Once you have your model, you first need to show that it reproduces the current climate, and once you're satisfied with that, you can use your model to run it forward in time to predict the future. Importantly, we're now finally starting to include in our models the social elements, such as population growth, GDP, socioeconomic interactions. We now know that social sciences need to be an integral part of our modeling efforts. Humans and our actions need to be accounted for in the climate models. Our science, therefore, needs to become more inter- and intradisciplinary. Predicting the future of our climate is more important now than ever. We need our government and our universities, and yes, Penn, to invest more in our fundamental and applied climate research so we can better develop our climate models and our understanding of the climate system in an interdisciplinary framework. Most importantly, we need young people, more young people like you, to join us in this important work. Your field of expertise and interest might be math, physics, engineering, computer science, political science, social sciences. You can make a difference, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of you in our climate and environmental classes here at Penn and planning the future of our planet together. Thank you.